The question is this: can recruiters see my full LinkedIn profile? I'm going to answer that question, but I need to also give you some insights about what first, second, and third level connections mean so that it's easier for you to understand what recruiters and even other LinkedIn members, how do they have access to your LinkedIn profile. So first and foremost, let's explain first, second, and third level. So let me go look at my buddy Randy. Here's Randy Wooden. And you can see right there, there's the first right there. If I click on Randy's profile, you can also see there's the one right there, first level. This means that Randy sent me a LinkedIn invite, or I sent him a LinkedIn invite, and one of us said yes. And it made us first level connections. And because we're first level, we can see each other's entire LinkedIn profile, everything that's on their profile, and we can also get their content. Because I'm following Randy, I can see his content often in my newsfeed. So let's talk about the second thing. Second level, let's look at the second level. So let's look at Reva's profile. Reva's second level to me. What that means is we are not yet connected. She did not send me an invite to connect. I did not send her an invite to connect, and one of us would say yes. But we are second, which means we have mutual connections. So Mark and 6 other people I'm connected with, and so is Reva. That's what makes us second level. However, because I'm logged into LinkedIn, I can see Reva's entire LinkedIn profile. Now let's talk about the next level. The next level is called third level. Now this lady right here, who I'm hiding her picture and hiding her name, she's third level to me. And what that means is we are not connected. We do not have mutual connections. However, there is enough relevance between her and me, based on LinkedIn's algorithms, that they're letting me see her entire LinkedIn profile. And this would apply to recruiters as well. If there's some relevance, then they'll let us see their entire profile. If there's no relevance at all, she probably wouldn't even show up in a LinkedIn search for me to be able to see her in search, let alone look at her LinkedIn profile. Now back to the big questions. Can recruiters see my entire LinkedIn profile? If the recruiter is using the recruiter subscription, even if they're third level significantly removed, sometimes called out of network, LinkedIn will let recruiters see a certain number of out of network profiles. Again, even if they're not connected. However, regardless of the recruiter license, any recruiter on LinkedIn, any person on LinkedIn, as long as they're logged into LinkedIn, will always be able to see your full LinkedIn profile at their first level, if they're second level, or if they're third level and relevant. So let's summarize this. If you're first level to anyone, including recruiters, they can see your full profile. If you're second level to anyone, including recruiters, they can see your full profile. If you're third level to them and there's some relevance, anyone, including recruiters, can see your full LinkedIn profiles, otherwise they're logged into LinkedIn. However, the only people that recruiters have a little bit of advantage with is if they're out of network, that means third level and no relevance. The LinkedIn recruiter subscription allows recruiters to look at a specific number of LinkedIn profiles who are out of network. Other than that, recruiters and anyone on LinkedIn can see your LinkedIn profile. I'm Teddy, your LinkedIn strategist, trainer, and coach. I hope this is helpful for you.